Hey guys, my name is Nelson Wills. You're at Element Designs in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. We're happy to have you here for this virtual tour. Let's get started. All right, let's take a walk through our office environment. This area is really the heart of Element Designs. It's where we put the sales orders in. It's where we take care of our customers. We service our customers. We monitor orders through production, and we make sure we execute exactly what our customers expect from a custom product standpoint. Welcome to the Fabrication Department. This is where production starts. Everything is custom. We don't make standard product. Everything is made to order to the customer's exact specifications. All right, after fabrication, we move into the assembly area. We move upstream. Once we cut an order, we're usually assembling that day or the next day. We install our gasket, basically glazing. We do some sub-assembly, we clean, and we also do our quality control at each assembly cell here at Element Designs. Okay guys, this is one part of our outsourcing department where we bring in the glass. We don't like to use paper, so we've really focused on IT solutions. We're scanning glass into the system so we can time the receipt along with the assembly, so we move forward with the final production and get the shipment out the door as soon as possible. All right, we're taking a pit stop in our hardware department. This is really a convenience item for our customers where you're getting everything in one package. We spend a lot of time on the details here, making sure we get it right the first time. Now we're in our bonding department. This is where the highest level of precision and quality come together at Element Designs. Backhanded Glass has been our fastest growing department. We've seen some really exciting activity with custom colors, logos, all kinds of really cool product options. This is an automated spray robot. It achieves the same high quality that we can get in our manual paint booth with the flat finish that our customers expect. We are now in arguably our most important department, the sample department. We ship on average 1,500 samples a day out of this one area. This is where the orders start, where you are requesting samples to put on your project board to help you sell aluminum, glass, and solid surface acrylic materials. Hey guys, we're now in our Parapan acrylic manufacturing department. We cut, polish, homogeneous, solid state acrylic or Parapan in multiple colors into high-end custom kitchens and office environments, as well as closets. Before we box things up, we're doing a final QC, running through the packing slip, making sure that we've got everything packed in the right box, the correct items. We use a multi-wall corrugate. We wrap as tight as we can. We palletize certain orders as need be based on volume or size. We just get it to you so that it's easy to open, easy to install. Track with me. We've got a ton of variety of frames, finishes, inserts, almost unlimited with what we can do to help interior design applications. We hope you've enjoyed this tour as much as we have. Thank you for all of your support. Have a great day.